Carlos's first Thanksgiving. Carlos and his family were planning their first Thanksgiving dinner in America. They were inviting some of their new friends. Abuela will help me cook the turkey, said Mama. Miss Cortez will bring tamales and black beans, said Abuela. And Mr. and Mrs. Lupin will bring dessert. Carlos and Mateo planned games to play. Mr. and Mrs. Lupin's 4 children would be there too. But during the night, there was a big snowstorm. No one will be able to drive, said Mateo. No one will come to dinner, said Selena. Carlos and his family went outside. Their neighbors were looking at the falling snow. Their neighbors were very unhappy. I was going to my son's house, said Mr. Otero. I made baked potatoes and beans, but no turkey. I was going to my sister's house, said Mrs. Aliso. I made fresh pasta, but no turkey. I don't have turkey either, said Miss Nolan. My mother was going to bring it. I made salad and pumpkin pie. Carlos smiled up at Mama. They could have dinner with us, he said. We have lots of chairs, said Selena. We have a big turkey, Carlos said. This is our first Thanksgiving, said Mama. Would you share it with us? The snow kept falling, so their neighbors all came. They had lots of food to share. They were all safe and warm. Thanksgiving is a good holiday, said Carlos. He was thankful for his family. He was thankful for his neighbors. He was thankful for pumpkin pie, too. The end.